Ladies and gentlemen, this is Poets' Corner. It's the place in the cathedral where many famous British novelists and poets are buried. And as you can see, this is the tomb of the great novelist Charles Dickens. He was born on February the 7th, 1812, the second of 7 children. He had a very unhappy childhood. His parents had money problems. His father owed a lot of money. And so at the age of 12, Dickens was sent to work in a factory. When Dickens was older, he started working as a journalist. And later, he began writing his wonderful novels. Probably the most famous of them is David Copperfield, which has been translated into almost every language in the world. Dickens was unhappily married, and in 1858 he and his wife Catherine separated. But not before they had had 10 children. Dickens' last novel, Our Mutual Friend, was unfinished when he died suddenly at home at the age of 58. Now, if you follow me through here, we can see the tomb of a very famous British poet. Ladies and gentlemen, this way, please.